a 1973 Grumman mail truck that's been converted to an ice cream van. Today we're putting wires on it, and you're watching the first episode of WHLWRKS. This episode is brought to you by LA Wire Wheels.
What's up, man? Dave here, coming out from Santa Barbara, California to do the WHLWRKS program with AudioCityUSA. This is my 1970 mail truck converted to an ice cream truck. I'm trying to make this thing look better.
What you want, Skinny?
I want vanilla.
Why? Because you're a vanilla? How about chocolate? You like chocolate?
White chocolate, esa vanilla.
What you want?
The avocado flavor.
You get horchata. Let me do Neapolitan. You get Batman.
All right, so the ice cream van has standard 13-inch wheels. Obviously, Dave's not too happy about it because he needs a little bit more oomph to it. So we're gonna go with a 17x8 LA wire reverse. Once my guys assemble them, put them together, we got them ready. And this is what we're gonna go with. We're gonna go with the reverse lid.
So are these the tires that have been going on the ice cream truck?
Yeah, so these are the ones that we chose. We chose 205, 45, 17. Since there's no information on this vehicle as far as overall diameter, turning radius, or anything like that, we brought two different sizes just in case if we had a problem with this one. I don't think we're gonna have any problems.
So we are on the tire machine here to put some tires on the wires. Got the tire lube going on right there. Throw it on. And just like that, less than 30 seconds, tires on the wheel.
There is no information on this car, so we're kind of just basing it off on what the overall diameter is.
That's why it's here. You guys are the pros.
So Dave, hey, would you mind telling us how long have you had this truck?
Hey, what's up, man? I've had this truck for about 6 years now. I found it abandoned in a lemon orchard, and I just saw it and I fell in love with it.
That's sick. Now, how much did you pay for it 6 years ago?
I honestly paid $1,000 for it. It wasn't running. It was just a shell. I put a new motor in it, a new tranny. I think I'm gonna run the bigger tire, be safer.
We're just gonna try the front one because we don't know if running the big one is gonna work or not.
Out with the old.
No power steering?
We got plenty of room there, Anthony.
Yeah, there's plenty of room there.
Oh yeah. And these are the big ones, right?
Yeah. No, you're good.
Tons of clearance there. Because these wheel wells are empty.
Yeah, bro, I was concerned about this here right here because it was a reverse lift. Wasn't sure how much it was gonna poke out, but there's plenty of room here. So we're actually building our stuff here.
LA Wire is actually assembled here in Southern California, Santa Fe Springs, California. All of it is done over here. There we are, screwing the nipples on. Got some products right over here. Checking for roundness right over here. Pretty much spin those around. Make sure that everything is correct and round. Then they come over here to get sealed with silicone. Make sure that they're airtight. Then they come to this rack and they dry. Then we're ready to mount tires and put them on your ice cream truck.
We went with the bigger tire since I travel around doing festivals and events. I want to make sure I have a safe tire. Hit a pothole, I don't damage the wheel. I'm trying to go for longevity.
Perfect, that's the way to go. So now that we got that one on, we're gonna mount and balance the rest of the three and have this truck back on the road.
So when you see me rolling in the hood, this is what a real ice cream truck should look like. And I do got chili Fritos.
Caesar, what do you think?
Looking good. Wire wheel, an ice cream track. It looks pretty awesome.
Let's get that sticker on.
Here you guys go.
I want one too.
Huh? I got an extra long one for you.
Oh man. Hey, thank you.
Dave, is this vegan friendly?
I guess.
Non-GMO.
It's gluten-free, allergy-free. It's basically like you're eating a piece of grass.
Nice, like spinach and shit.
Yeah.
Nice.
what's up, guys? Just want to give a big shout out and thank you to AudioCityUSA. They got me right with the WHLWRKS program. Hit up Anthony, follow the link below if you guys want to get hooked up.
Dave, you are the man. Thank you so much. Got you, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for everything. I appreciate it.
Of course. Where's the first place you're gonna take this to?
I'm gonna cruise Santa Barbara coastline, the beach, pull up right in front of the pier, and give out free ice cream to all my followers.
You have to,
Come
huh?
see me. Dave's Dogs 805. You know what's up.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.